up, YouTube? You already know it's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm back with another one, yeah. So I am back with another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. And before I start this video, everyone, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area and share this video. Everyone, I just want to say I'm sorry. I haven't been posting in a while, and I know it's been like a week I haven't posted. I done lost a subscriber, but I'm okay with that. But I haven't been posting. I've been going through things, and I feel like if you're not really feeling up to it, you shouldn't post. But I recently moved, as you guys see. This is a totally different lingo of what I'm normally doing. I have moved. Issues at the house I was at, so me and my son have decided to move out and move in. Well, we by ourselves, but we're with family, so still with family, just different family. My dad's side of the family. So everything is going good. I'm finally settled in, and it's finally time for me to post. So today I've been thinking, like, as you guys see, I don't have any eyebrows. And I have been getting requests for so long to do an eyebrow tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. And we just gonna get right into this. I know this lingo is a little different what I'm working with. But you guys, I will be getting things soon just so I can have a better setup. So yes, basically that. I could have got a smaller chair because this chair like kind of big, and I wasn't for sure if it's going to work or not. So I'm going to go get a smaller chair. I'll be right back. Do not leave. Okay, this is a lot better. Just got a little smaller chair. And like I said, this will be an eyebrow video, so I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows first. If I find my stuff. And today for my eyebrows, I will be using the F116 brush. I will also be using the Cream Eyeliner Duo. And I'll also be using the True Naked CoverGirl's Jewels palette. And you guys will see what I do at the end. Everybody, as you guys see, I don't have any eyebrows. I bet you guys didn't even know that. I shaved my eyebrows off a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, but a nice while ago. And these are basically, they're growing back, but this is basically how it looked. And I felt like if I cut my eyebrows, it would be easier to do my eyes. Which was, it really was a lot easier. But we're going to go right on into this, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows every day. Because I do this every day due to me not having any eyebrows. But I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows every single day. So I normally take this and I just make sure it's nice and flat. Just make sure it's really nice and flat. And I always start with this eye for some reason. And I just, normally what I do is I just go to where I know I want it to be at. And then I just kind of line it in some. And then just go to the bottom. And then if you guys see stuff like that, I'll show you guys how I do that. I'm going to also take the F117 brush. And this is a smaller brush, just like that. But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to color it in some. Boom. And that's pretty much it. I really do not conceal my eyes. When I first started makeup, I was concealing my eyes. But concealing my eyes is not really my thing. So I don't conceal my eyes. And then if it's some excess, pretty much that's how I normally kind of have my eye to be on an everyday basis. Pretty much. So that is what it is. And I'm going to start on the other side. And then the same thing. Now this side I kind of messed up, I believe. So I normally just do like this. Boom, then we just and then pretty much that's basically my eyes. On a day-to-day basis, this is like basically my eyes, and then I just take a makeup removal wipe and pretty much just line my eyes right to how I want them. So if I see a side on, this is a just kind of getting them even basically. So basically, and that's basically the end result of my eyes. That is basically what I do with my eyes on a day-to-day basis. And like excess, normally how I conceal is I just take a makeup wipe and I just do it really good. Or I would take a brush like this and I would take the tip of the brush, either my fingers or the tip of the brush, and I would just kind of excess stuff, I just wipe it off with that. So all the excess will be on there. And that's basically how I do my eyes on a day-to-day basis. I normally, when I'm done, I normally take my little spoolie, and what I do with the spoolie is I just do just like this. I just damp down on the spoolie, and once I feel like my eyes are right and they're how I want them, then once I'm done with that and I feel like they're good, they're fine, you feel me? My eyes are never twins, and I'm cool with that. Now what I do is I take my Jewels palette, and like I said, due to me not having any eyebrows, this is what I do. You guys are going to see, which is like something I came up with one day. So I take the black color, the darkest color, and I take my Ruby Kiss brush, and this is a brush that's used for like the bottom of this. But I normally go in with my black color, put it on my brush, and once I have it on my brush, I just take it boom. And this, it just, due to me not having eyebrows, it kind of keeps it on there longer and stuff. And when I'm wearing makeup, it gives it a nice cute pop because it's a little glitter color. So it gives it a nice, really cute pop. And I just do the other side too. Just do both sides. And that is the end result of how I do my eyebrows. Day to day. That's how I do my eyebrows day and day. Y'all see my baby head? Look at him. Always, look, always trying to open or shut a door. Yeah, they see you. So, this is the end result of my eyebrows. And this is normally how I do my eyebrows, everyone. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. And tell me, I normally make my eyebrows small. Sometimes I make them big. Sometimes I make it small, depending on how I'm feeling. And everyone, this is the end result. Be looking back for my eyeshadow video tomorrow. Love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. And once again, everyone, I'm sorry. I know I haven't been posting, but I'm into my new place now, and I'm good. So I will be posting more. Thank you all for the support, and thank you for the people that still watch my videos, even though I'm not active at the moment. I love all you guys, and tomorrow, if I'm able to make it to open mic night, I will be posting that later on, so stay tuned for that. Love you all. Thank you all for the support. It's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm out.